Let me ask you this. As a trader, who do you think you're versing when you trade? Because it's just you there sitting at the screen. Do you think you're versing yourself? Do you think you're versing your broker? Do you think you're versing the market? You see, most people when they're trading, they assume it's just them. They work on themselves, they improve their results, and then their money follows. Now, to a degree that's true. But every single time you place a trade, there are millions of traders out there, individual people just like yourself, who want to take your money from you. You put $100 into the market, there's a million people that want that $100 from you. But most people don't really think about this fact. They just think it's them, and then they lose the money to the market. Let's just pretend that you were a fighter and you had a fight coming up versus some opponent. You obviously don't want to lose this fight, right? So during the lead up, you'd be training hard. You'd be putting in all of the effort that you can to make sure that your body was physically ready and you were at the peak of your ability to beat the shit out of him. But we don't do this when it comes to trading. We tend to relax and don't go as hard as we should be when it comes to research and planning and optimizing our strategy. We just trade and trade and trade, and the results just kind of come to us. But what we don't think about is the fact that we are losing to all the other people in the market that have just taken your money because they had the discipline and the motivation and the willpower to work harder than you. You lost because you just didn't have what it takes to work harder than they do. So from this moment forward, I hope this motivates you to do a little bit extra research, do a little bit of extra planning, do a little bit of whatever it takes to make sure that you're the one winning in the market, taking money from the other person who didn't work as hard as you. They lost the money and it ended up in your account. And you can't be thinking that, oh, that's cruel, I don't want to take money from other people. Because if you think like that, then you're the one that's going to lose money. It's just the reality of trading. When you win, you're taking money from someone else who didn't work as hard as you and didn't have the knowledge to place the trade as well as you. As a trader, we are in a fight between us and the other traders in the market. And we got to make sure that we do what it takes to win. So hopefully this helps you be a little more motivated and go out there and get your results as a day trader. If you liked the video, smash like, comment, share, all the cool stuff. You already know what to do. And as always, you can find my professional services at mie.trade. And other than that, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.